Welcome to Draminski TV. I would like to invite you to watch the movie in the series Video Manual Operation. In this episode, I would like to present the operation of our Draminski Grain Moisture Meter. Equipment. After buying the grain moisture meter, you will receive your purchase packed in a convenient, reusable box. The kit includes the following equipment: plastic packaging, printed instructions manual, dosage tube with slider, 9-volt battery alkaline, grain moisture meter. The main features of the constructions of the grain moisture meter: durable plastic housing, membrane keyboard, LCD display, measurement chamber, battery chamber. First start. Before making the first measurements, put the battery in the battery chamber. The battery chamber is located on the underside of the device. To connect the battery to the GMM, turn the device over. Open the battery chamber by unlocking the latch on the lid. Put the battery into the battery chamber, paying particular attention to the correct connection of the battery poles. After connecting the battery, shut down battery chamber by putting the lid in its place. The proper closure of the battery chamber will be confirmed by a characteristic click of the latch. At this point, the device is powered and ready to work. Measurements. Before turning on the device, the measurement chamber should be empty and clean. Ensure that the measurement chamber has no seeds inside, and if necessary, empty the chamber of any remains from the previous measurement. Turn on the power supply with the red on-off button. The name of the device will appear for a while on the display, and then the model and serial number. The name of the last measured sample will appear afterwards. Using the arrow button, select the desired species of grain. Then fill up the dosage tube with seeds and place it over the measuring chamber. Press OK button. After the instruction pour in sample has been displayed, pull out the slider of the dosage tube with a result movement of the hand and pour the seeds which are to be tested into the measuring chamber. After filling the measurement chamber, do not move and shake the device. Confirm the measuring process by pressing OK button. Under the name of the sample, the information analyzing will be displayed. After a while, the result of measuring the moisture as a percentage and the temperature in degrees Celsius will be observed. After the measurement, the chamber should be emptied and the button OK pressed. The command "Pour in sample" will appear once more on the display. This means that you can repeat the measurement of the same sample or check the humidity for another sample. To select another species of grain, press the Cal button. Repeat all the steps starting from the choice of the grain name. After finishing the measurements, the tester should be turned off by pressing On-Off button. The GMM is also equipped with an automatic switch which turned off the tester after 3 minutes of inactivity. Data modification. The Draminski Grain Moisture Meter has been equipped with a function that allows user to modify data, or in other words, to calibrate the device by correcting the coded humidity curves for each species of grain. To carry out the required corrections, the power supply should be turned on with an on-off button while the button Cal is pressed. Use the arrow button to choose the modifying data function and confirm it by pressing OK. The name of the last measured sample appears on the screen, which can be changed by using the arrow keys. Confirm the selected sample with OK button. Information appears: change 0,0%. Now the numeric value that you would like to raise or lower to the selected species of grains can be set with the arrow key. After setting the desired value, press OK button. Then information confirming the change appears with a question mark. If you would like to save the changes, press OK. OK will appear on the screen, which means that the changes are permanently stored, and in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen a star appears, indicating a change of data for the grain name. However, if you do not want to save the changes, it is sufficient to press the Cal button, which cancels the introduced changes. In order to leave the modify mode, the power supply should be switched off. In addition to the modifying function, the GMM also has an erasing mode, which restores the factory settings for the chosen sample name. To modify data, turn on the power supply with on-off button while the button Cal is pressed. Use arrow button to choose the erasing function and confirm it by pressing OK. Choose the desired name of the sample with the arrow buttons and confirm it by pressing OK. The question whether you are confident of your choice will appear on the display. In order to confirm the erasing process, press OK button. We can also interrupt the operation by pressing the Cal button. After a successful erasing process, OK will appear on the display and the star symbol will disappear. In order to leave the erase mode, the power supply should be switched off. And these are all the features of the Draminski Grain Moisture Meter. Detailed information about the characteristics and functions of the device can be found in the printed instruction manual that comes with the Grain Moisture Meter. Please feel free to familiarize yourself with our other devices on our website www.draminski.com.